Hi, AP Physics. I wanted to make a video on how to take good notes for this distance learning and how to turn them in. So please make sure you pay attention because these details are important. The first one is no type notes. You may not turn in type notes. And you cannot just simply cut and paste a piece of the notes onto there. That defeats the whole purpose of taking notes. Second thing, your name needs to be on top of the notes. I know that's not normal. However, since we're turning them in, I want to make sure no one's trying to use someone else's notes. So write your name on the top of those notes, please. 3, notes should be neat, dark, and have pictures. There are lots of pictures to draw. If they're only doing experiments in front of you, then kind of draw what the experiments that are going on are there. 4, when taking a picture of your notes, find an area with lots of light. Beware of shadows. This is not Halloween. Lie the notes flat and be directly overhead. Also, make sure the notes take up as much of the screen as possible. And double check the picture. It needs to be in focus. 5, notes should be multiple files per topic or per page. No one big file. 6, notes must be turned in through Google Drive, and there are reasons for them. A, it lets you change the file name to the topic being covered, which I would like you to do, please. B, it fixes the file format issues like the HEIC files. C, it lets me easily zoom in on your notes to make sure that you have the necessary stuff in there. Now 7, these notes are for a grade, so make sure they're good. A 95 means you've got neat notes, they're easy to read, they're pictures, and they have all the elements that are important. Just a reminder, I'm taking these notes too. A 90 is neat, but it's missing some stuff that you should have had there. Less than a 90, those notes are a little bit too Spartan. Spartan means the bare minimum. Remember, the bare minimum is just enough to make sure you fail. Now, if I gave you less than a 90, there's definitely a comment. Make sure you read it. Now, as far as hundreds, they're extremely rare. You've got to have that something extra. Those notes really have to pop out at me and make me say, wow, that's impressive. Just so we're clear. Now, you cannot fix notes grades unless I told you to resubmit. And don't even bother asking me about changing a grade that's a 90 to a 95. It ain't gonna happen. C, read the comments. Not everyone gets them, but many people do. I know a lot of you have been able to get through all of high school without taking hardly any notes. Just so you know, that's gonna be a massive, massive problem in college. I've never met anyone who's been able to get through college without taking copious amounts of notes. It's just part of it. The learning atmosphere is very different. So get in the habit of taking good notes. If you have any questions, again, I'm available on Remind, and I'll see you later.